Updated, move-in ready, and tucked into one of the most desirable areas in Ponte Vedra Beach. This one just might have your house hunting heart do a little happy dance. Today I'm taking you through an updated 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a 2-car garage in Ponte Vedra Beach. As you can see from the start, this home feels fresh, light, and easy to love. This is a traditional 1-story home with a spacious fenced backyard that works beautifully for everyday life, entertaining, or just enjoying weather outside. More on this garage in a minute, but this house has a classic curb appeal on the outside, paired with updates on the inside that make it feel current and comfortable. Take a pause for a second, guys, and tell me what you think in the comments. Which space matters most to you in a home? Is it the kitchen, the primary suite, or also known as the master bedroom, or the backyard? Let me know in the comments. But getting back to the nitty-gritty, you've got an open floor plan, vaulted ceilings, updated ceramic tile flooring throughout the main living areas, fresh interior paint, and a split bedroom layout that gives everyone a little bit of breathing room. Beautiful office space here. This is also, it looks like it used to be a bedroom, but they turned it into an office space. But look at this kitchen, y'all. The kitchen has been beautifully updated with custom cabinetry, quartz countertops, brand new LG stainless steel appliances. It opens right into the main living space, which makes the whole house feel connected, functional, and ready for anything, from quiet nights in to casual entertaining. Beyond the home itself, the location adds so much to the lifestyle here. You're just minutes from the beach, shopping and dining, with local favorites like Palm Valley Fish Camp and Nona Blue nearby. You've also got easy access to Mickler's Landing for beach days, and the Nocatee area brings even more fun into the mix with trails, community events, and water park access nearby. This home comes with the kind of practical upgrades buyers love to see, with major systems under 10 years old, walk-in closets, a pantry, water softener, and even an EV charging station in the garage. And that's it for this home in Ponte Vedra Beach, guys. I hope you enjoyed your stay. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like the sale price or more information on this home, send me a message titled "Interested in" number 212-2288. As usual, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.